Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem, whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial. We're here to help. So without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can add tags or hashtags on Facebook posts. First of all, open up your Facebook mobile application and make sure that you are logged into your specific account on which you want to add hashtags on your post. Let me just log into my specific account, and as you can see I am currently logged into my account. Now what I have to do is at the top right corner you should find the plus icon. Click on it and click on post. Once you click on post, from here you can add any of the things, like for example a picture or a video or any of the post, and after that you can like go for the hashtag and go for hashtag tutorial solution lab. You can go for any of the things, and that is how you can easily add the hashtag and tags on your Facebook post. You can do the same stuff on iOS or even on Android. To recap, today we cover how you can add hashtags on your post on Facebook. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care, see you next time.